So today we have this beautiful shopping cart, attached a nice wakeboard in the middle, 2 skis on the side. So this is something I've done in the past. We're just gonna kick it off one more time. Ben's gonna try and jump the wake today with it.
This thing. So that's high quality engineering right there. Yep. All right. Hey, look safe.
Oh, it's great. OSHA approved.
What do you think?
No.
All right, how was it?
Dude, it's great. That thing is, it's a beast. Heavy, wants to do its own thing, but it's a blast.
What did you think when you got out of the wave?
Dude, it won't track. Like, it wants to just go straight. Like, you can't move it. It's very, very tough to move it around.
Yeah.
Especially with that wave right there. Like, I was like, pretty much fighting everything I could do to get around it.
Yeah, it looked a little wild on the ride there.
It was cool. This run of the cart ski, I'd say it was pretty successful. What do you think, boys? Pretty successful? Big success. Oh, yeah. Dude, big success.
That was good.
Solid first try.
Water's getting chilly. Yeah, good first try.
All right, we're just bringing in Nick right now. Nick probably did like a good 25 to 30 minutes on the cart. How we feeling, buddy?
Tired as fuck. Dude, I'm sore.
That is awesome.
That one?
Oh, you're gonna definitely feel it.
That was a couple days. That's a lot of fun. The thing is a lot.
Oh, we got many more days out of that thing. We're surfing that thing by the end of the summer.
Yeah, I'm tiny, but I'm powerful.
Oh, he's powerful, baby.